Good morning. All right, mate. How are you? Hey. Good morning. Hello. You coming in? You coming in? Let's lock that back up. Here we go. Found paddle finally. She's buzzing, aren't you? Yeah. The only issue is we're on a singles court. I mean, we're on a doubles. Literally no singles in Uber at all. So let's see. This is what we look like now. And we'll show what we look like in an hour. Let's go. Don't know if you can really see, but this is us after. Absolutely tragic. Ended 1-1 in games, didn't it?
1-1 in sets.
1-1 in sets. There's a little cat here and his little kittens up there. They've been meowing all that game. Look at him. But yeah, 1-1 in games. Ellie took my bad ankle to her advantage, didn't you?
Yeah.
But yeah, let's go. So the motorbike guy that I had was absolutely crazy, but I made it here in one piece. And we've just got to the waterfall. So we're gonna get into our costumes and go have a dip. Not the clearest of water, but fresh water at least. All coming from that mountain. Oh my god. Maybe go one at a time. Whoa. That was bending in the middle.
No bend for me.
Here we go. We're making it. It's very rocky at the bottom. Danger. Do not swim past that. That really makes me want to swim past it. As it is. Ellie, leave me alone. Beautiful. Okay, laundry picked up, all folded.
Completed.
Folded and ironed. Ironed and folded and washed. Beautiful. So, how much did it cost us?
Less than a tenner.
Less than a tenner. Which isn't awful. Not great, but not awful. But yeah, we're just going to go look for some food now. Gecko in our room again. It's not focusing anymore when I zoom.
Maybe it'll just take a minute.
Maybe I'm too zoomed. But yeah, it's there. Let's see if we can catch it. It's fine.
I don't even know where it's gone.
You ready?
I can't see it.
Where's it gone?
I don't know, I can't see it.
It's there.
Where? Oh my god, it's on my clothes.
They're out in full force tonight. Everywhere. All over now. Like none of them are the size that attacked us, are they? Like any of them. None of them. I forgot to film, but this is like my meringue or something. Like spicy chicken noodles. Ellie had a health bowl. Which, what did you have in it? What meat? Was it chicken?
Chicken.
With like avocado, cucumber, carrot,
Bacon,
and then we had these two sauces, which one was like a honey mustard. I don't know what the other one, but Ellie's was banging. Mine's alright. Like, I'd probably give mine like a 6.5, 7. Give Ellie's for a health bowl, strong 9.
I was gonna say 9.
Yeah. And then look at this drink menu, like, how cool do some of these coffees look? We're not going to get a coffee, I'm going to get a choco berry for dessert. A blend of dark chocolate with pure strawberry fruit added with a touch of fresh mint. And then Ellie is going to go for the marshmallow cocoa iced. So it's like a cold marshmallow chocolate drink. We're going to do that for dessert, aren't we? Just walking back now and we spotted this little family. And they don't look as vicious when they're sleeping, do they? As Ellie said. How do they even fall asleep like that? That's so cute though, isn't it?
Short and sweet day.
Yeah, nothing too much, was there? Did like the paddle in the morning, then the little waterfall in the afternoon.
Yeah.
It's just a bit of a lazy day, really, wasn't it?
I don't know, that
Actually, that paddle was hard work, wasn't it?
hard work.
But yeah, we're in another location at the minute. We're not there, so this location is yet to be disclosed. Bye.